Hello, everyone. Welcome back to yet another video of Let's Learn English the Smart Way. Here's also wishing everyone a happy, healthy, and prosperous new year. So let's get started, guys. In today's video, we are going to learn the difference between have been, has been, and had been. The word BEEN can be pronounced as been or been. Let's get started. So, using have been and has been, first let's understand the difference between have been and has been. There is a few similarities, however, they do differ. Let's just clarify that. So, have been and has been suggest actions that started in the past, however, they do still continue at the present moment. As a major rule of thumb, we use have been when we're talking about the present and if the subject of the sentence includes I, you, we, or they. Also, if the subject is a plural noun, for example, cars, birds, and children. Let's look at a few examples. I have been waiting for 20 minutes. That means the person is still waiting. I have been studying since I was a child. The person is still studying. The children have been playing since morning, still playing. Now let's look at has been. It is the same as have been. However, the subject should have a he, she, it, or it should be a singular noun. It could be car, bird, or a child. Examples: my car has been stolen from the city center. This bird has been following me all day long. A child has been playing since morning. Had been. Had been is the simplest form of a tense, guys. So, in this, if the subject includes I, you, he, she, it, we, or they, and also the scenario is based on a past, it implies had been. Had been also implies on an action that began and ended in the past, and hence it is a past perfect continuous tense. Let's look at a few examples. I had been shopping with my wife in the market since morning. So the person has done the shopping, okay, and he or she is just explaining that they had been shopping with their wife. She had been shopping in that bazaar before you came home. So this person had been shopping but is not anymore. Children had been playing baseball in that field before it started to rain. Not anymore. I would urge you all to take a screenshot of this because a perfect present includes the have or has been, is used to describe a recent past action that still holds significance in the present. However, when describing something that happened in the past before something else in the past, we use had been. I hope this video was understandable, and I hope you guys use it in your day to day vocabulary, day to day communication, as well as in your written practice. So, thank you all so much for watching, and please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all, everyone.